Today I'm reviewing a vitamin C serum that I have been personally using it for more than 10 months. And it's the Foxtale's Vitamin C Serum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Beauty Made Easy. If you are new here, I'm someone who does beauty products reviews only after using it properly. And this one I've been using it for almost a year now. So this is going to be a real and honest review and not a first impression. This is a brightening serum with 15% L-ascorbic acid, which is the purest and most effective form of vitamin C. It also contains vitamin E, which helps with hydration and skin repair. Foxtale claims that this serum gives a visible glow in just 5 days, goes 4x deeper than regular vitamin C serums, helps to fade dark spots, pigmentation, evens out the skin tone and boosts overall radiance. The texture is lightweight but slightly emollient, so it doesn't feel watery or sticky. It absorbs really well and layers perfectly under sunscreen and makeup. I have used this in both morning and night routines. Now let me tell you what exactly happened to my skin after consistent usage. Dark spots on my face gradually faded. I could see them becoming from black to brown to light brown, and then they fade completely. No new pimples or breakouts, because being an oily skin type, I used to get pimples and acne on my face, but after using this vitamin C serum, I did not see any new pimples or acne. Skin feels well moisturized and supple. Overall tone looks more even and healthy. It gives a natural glow, not that oily, shiny look, but a subtle natural glow. What I really liked is that this serum does not irritate or burn my skin. Even with 15% purest form of L-ascorbic acid, I did not get any irritation or redness on my skin after using this serum. And also, please do a patch test before using any new product, not just this one. Any new serums or acids that you're going to put on your face, please do a patch test. I personally feel like this would work for dry, combination, oily, even sensitive skin types. But if you are a sensitive skin person, start slowly, like 2 to 3 times a week, use this one. And gradually increase the usage. Overall, it is quite gentle for a high strength vitamin C concentration. Vitamin C is not an overnight miracle, but if you use this consistently, I mean every single day, the glow, spot reduction and skin health improvements are very much visible. For me, this serum has reduced my dark spots. No more acne or pimples, no breakouts, and this has given me a subtle natural glow. If you are looking for a powerful vitamin C serum that actually shows result with continuous usage, then this one is a good choice. I have repurchased it so many times, used it for almost a year, and that itself says a lot. If this review helped you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more amazing, realistic, honest product reviews. Until the next time, take care.